How to compress files into zip format in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to do it in just a couple of clicks. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the file or folder you want to compress. From there, select the file or hold Control and click Multiple Files if you want to compress more than one at a time. After that, right-click on the selected file or files and look for Compress to Zip File in the menu that appears. Following this, click that option, and Windows will instantly create a new zip file in the same location, bundling everything you selected into one compressed file. From here, you can rename the zip file by right-clicking on it, selecting Rename, and typing whatever name you'd like. Finally, to open or extract the contents later, just right-click on the zip file and select Extract All, then choose where you want the files to be saved. That's how you compress files into zip format in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!